Welcome to Diani, Kenya's most iconic coastal paradise. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through the stunning white sand beaches, luxury hotels, vibrant local spots, and hidden gems that makes Diani a favorite for both locals and international travelers. From breathtaking ocean views to unforgettable holiday vibes, let's explore the magic that makes Diani truly irresistible. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. So guys, we are in Diani Beach Shopping Center. This is where guys you can get all kind of stuff in terms of shopping. I'm talking about banks, small supermarkets, and also some offices for private consultations and everything like that. You can get them in this area. This is the beach road. This is the road that takes you back to the beach and the apartments around this area of Diani. Also villas you can get in these times, liquor store, and every kind of stuff you can get them here. And go guys, as you know that Diani is a holiday and tourist destination area, so when you move around you'll see so many white guys, and you know white guys love black ladies, so when they come in our country you can get them here with black ladies. And also you can see so much souvenirs and arts that have been sold just beside the road, because many whites always love to walk on the road, so when they see this they can buy. So many souvenirs, they always sell them across the road. You can see beautiful ladies walking, and also you can see muzungus and mwafrikas walking, white guys. Like, this place has so many white guys that love black ladies, so consider when you come here you'll see most of them having the black ladies. So Diani is one of the most visited area with whites. Many whites always come to this place of Diani. Also, we have residential areas like the sun lovers, real estate agents. I told you that we have offices around this area of Diani, and so many villas, apartments, Airbnbs. You can get them in this area. Very beautiful ones, and very expensive, like the one there on the other side of the road. That's in a hotel. I cannot see the name of the hotel because it's kind of far from where I was standing, but yeah, it is an hotel. And now we are in this road, still in the beach road. You can see Top in Town. This is one of the laundry companies here in Diani. It is very popular in Mombasa. Also, we have banks around this place. The road is nice. I just love the road, guys. The roads in Diani are very beautiful, tarmacked, and very clean. And as I told you guys, we have so many white guys, white muzungus in Diani, so you can see them everywhere. It's a common thing in Diani, so no one is always surprised to see them. So they are very common here in Diani. On the other side, on my left side, you can see that's the road that takes you to the interior of Diani, where you can get some villas, Airbnbs, apartments. It's a long stretch. Walking in these sides of Diani also is very tiresome when you're just walking. And also that road takes you to the airport too. You can see there's a gas station over there. I'm still walking because I love walking. We have the Diani Tire Center. This is where when you have your car, you can just come here and change your wheels and your shoes for your car if you want. So that's nice. You can see beside this road they are selling stuff. People here are hustling, guys. People are hustling. And here in Diani also people are still building apartments, villas, and all kind of stuff. So real estate here is booming so much. And you can see, wow, I just see these zebras. This was a nice stuff that was just placed beside the road, but they are dead right now. All these statues are dead right now. Zebra and its baby, they are done, because people want now to build not affordable housing. This place is for people who are investing in real estate. So also, if you want to invest in real estate, guys, you can just visit Diani and see if you can get a chance to have your chance to build your home, or you can build apartments or villas for businesses or something like that. So consider to do that, because this place, guys, has money. This place is worth to invest in, and one of the holiday destination in Kenya. So yeah, we're heading to holidays, so be in a hurry to come here and see for yourself. On beside of the roads also we can see hotels, and as I told you guys, these are beachfront hotels, because just close to this road on the other side, on my right side, we have the beach. I'll take you there soon. This is just the shopping center, and also places where you can get so much liquor store. You can get bikes for rent, motorbikes for rent. You can get them here. We have some offices, we have some restaurants over here, liquor stores, I've told you, with some bars and everything. You can get them here. Like as you know, that holiday destination, it means that most of the visitors, when they come here, they don't stay in their hotels. Most of them, if it's an Airbnb or apartment, they don't stay there. Especially Muzungus, they always come to these joints here to have fun, to drink, to eat, to dine with their families, with their friends, and just have fun. So this is the places where you can come here and enjoy yourself. We have fillets, we have fish places to eat fish and all kind of stuff, to drink, to just lewa, you just dunda and everything, clubs, bars, and all kind of stuff. You can get them here. Entertainment here is top notch, 100% top notch. So consider when you come to Diani, you consider your pockets are full of money so that you can able to enjoy yourself. Hapa ukuji kama uko maskini, hapa unakuja kama umejipanga na uko ready to have fun here in this area of South Coast. So that's the places where you can get. You can see all this advertisement, liquor hub, the vet. You can see they have offices for the vets, because you know that Muzungus always have, So here also in Diani, we have the Pride Inn branch in Diani. The Pride Inn Hotel, one of the popular luxury hotels in Coast. You can leave it here. So guys, I'm in this cave which is called Wawa campsite, and gonna go properly mbele. So Wawa campsite and fun zone. Okay. So if you want to come and have fun, you can just come and have fun in this area. Wawa. It's called Wawa. Hapa ndo Wawa. Hapa ndo Wawa. Cocktail, mocktail, fruit palm, juice, fresh juice. Fresh juice now much? 300. So fresh juice is 300 shillings. So this is what they have. So this is the place. Wawa. So tunaweza pita hivi nikatoka na pale. Nice, thank you. Unajua kuna msemo fulani wa vijana wanasema wakisalimiana unasikia Wawa. Sasa ndio nimeona pale nikashtuka. Wawa. Thank you. Hiyo ni video unachukua? Nika video kadogo tu kadiani. So kila kitu nitaiweka hapo katika hii paka hii Wawa. Pamoja na ile bwana. Paka ile. Restaurant everything. Okay. So hii ni fun place tu. Si ndio? Place ambapo watu wanakuja na chill, wanakunywa kamoxel na nini, kucheza pool pale. Chakula pia iko? Yeah. Waje niko nimeona tu juice pale. Pool. Kauka. Wawa. Sawa. So that's the place, guys. Wow. Yes? Sawa. So guys, I'm in Diani right now, and I'm in this place which is a fun place. You can just come here, chill, take some drinks, mocktail, cocktail, juice, play some pool over here. Yeah. So this place is called Wawa, and this is the team behind this place. Naweza kuja introduce. Au mnaweza sema anything?
Hi, I'm Angela from Kibanda Restaurant, Wawa. So Wawa is amongst us. It has campsite, Kibanda Restaurant, food and drinks. Okay. All welcome. Pool, shisha, all welcome.
What's the cheapest meal here?
The cheapest meal, I think it's fries.
Fries, how much is it?
400 shillings.
And what's the expensive meal?
The expensive meal, it's a grilled mixed seafood platter for 2 people, which is 5,000.
Guys, 5,500, 5,500, 5,000. 5,000 in Diani. Is it like that even on the holidays or just now?
It's like that.
It's constant like that.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mnakaribishwa sana Kibanda Wawa. This is the place. Unaona vile kuna ma drinks hapa. Unaweza kuja ukajienjoy. Is there like a TV where people can come and watch football?
It's there.
See guys. Because hawezi kuona pool bila TV. Tukuja kuangalia ball.
Yeah.
So guys, you are welcome in Wawa. Iko located along the Diani Beach Road.
Diani Beach Road, opposite Tribath.
Opposite Tribath.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa sawa. Thank you. Nitaiweka hiyo.
Tutaipata wapi?
Mimi najiita Dennis with Lens Walks kwa YouTube.
Unaona ile
Ile pale nje.
ile.
Wapi, Instagram?
No, YouTube. Dennis with Lens Walks. Sawa sawa.
Okay.
Karibu. Anthony Walks, Anthony Walks. Anthony, mchukue. Wacha uongee. Watu wa Woza. Woza Kibanda restaurant.
Pull up anytime you feel like free.
What's the opening time?
From 6 a.m. We serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, late dinner. We have some free cocktails.
Okay. Free cocktails?
Not free cocktails for some days.
Oh, okay.
Free cocktails for some days and only for ladies.
Only for ladies?
Only for ladies.
Hey, boy child.
Yeah, boy child anaumia mateso siku zote.
Boy child anaumia.
Baya.
Sawa. So wanakaribishwa Kibanda restaurant.
And we also have a camping site.
Oh, camping site.
Yeah, Woza camping site.
Uko ndani?
Uko kwa beach.
Okay.
This is the restaurant.
Okay.
So you pull up in the restaurant to go sleep in the beach.
Okay. Is there a direct pass to the beach or
yeah, there is a direct pass to the beach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can just walk until the beach.
You can go there and take a view.
Okay. Sawa. Thank you so much. So guys, mnakaribishwa Kibanda restaurant Woza along Beach Road going to Diani. No, we are in Diani. Yeah, along Beach Road Woza restaurant. Kibanda restaurant Woza. Nice. You are?
It's Kibanda restaurant under Woza management. That's my manager.
Okay, that's the manager. Anakaa tu manager.
Barman there inside.
Inside kuna barman pale.
Fellow colleagues.
Yeah. Nice.
And few friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. There you go. The restaurant. Here is the restaurant. So they told us there's a camping site. Natumia hii barabara ile pale? Yeah. Okay, sawa. So they say that there is a camping site of Kibanda restaurant under Woza management. You just use this road to the beach. Yeah, that's the road heading to the beach, and that's the restaurant. So guys, I'm just from the Kibanda restaurant Woza along Beach Road going to Diani Beach, and they have told us that there's a through way to the beach using this road, because the usual road is on the other side of Diani Beach when you're going to the other side, but they told us that there's a through pass from the main road there going to the beach using this side. That's what I've been using right now, so that you can able to go and enjoy the breeze of Diani Beach. Yeah, if you have never been in Diani Beach, this is your chance to see how Diani Beach looks like, so that next time when you come to Mombasa and you come to this side of South Coast in Kwale County, you'll be able to come to Diani Beach to enjoy yourself. So this is the road heading to Diani Beach. So let's go and see what Diani Beach can offer us. It is very hot in Mombasa, very hot in the coast. So everyone is going to the beach. Everyone is heading to the beach right now. So let's go and see. So that's the campsite. That's the Woza campsite. Wow. Look at that. Diani Beach. Woo. What's up, guys? I'm in Diani Beach right now, guys. Woo. It has been long since I was here in this beach, but today I've managed to reach here. This is the Diani Beach. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Fantastic. So guys, I'm in Diani Beach, one of the most loved beach here in Kenya with the local and international tourists. And guys, I'm here enjoying myself in this white sand beach. I'll be doing a full tour of this beach in my next video, but I'm just giving you showcasing you how it is right now in 2025. So guys, thank you so much. Hope you have loved this video. I've been taking you through Diani area, showing you the joints and restaurant around. I haven't get a chance to go to the interior of Diani in terms of villas and apartments, because most of the places in Diani are very private, but I assure you that I'll be doing a video of those places here in Diani where you can get this Airbnb and villas soon. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, give the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.